Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So, finally, Poco launched their new smartphone, the Poco M3, with 6000 big mAh battery. The Poco M3 is now officially becoming the third member of the company's most affordable series. It immediately grabs the attention with its striking design and mostly uninterrupted screen on the front is contrasted by a large rectangular camera island on the rear backside. The rest of the rear comes in a texture anti-fingerprints finish and three colors: power black, cool blue, and the fleshy Poco yellow color. The Poco M3 biggest feature is huge 6000 mAh battery. It supports 18-watt charging and will even charge other device at 18-watt with the current cable. Poco is proud of its battery, calling it the largest in the M3 class. Poco claiming up to 5 days of light use, the 3 days of moderate, and a day and a half of heavy use. Some will appreciate the claim of 2.5 years of use without notable degradation too. The Poco on the front, there is 6.53-inch FHD plus IPS LCD with a standard 60 Hz refresh rate sitting under the Gorilla Glass 3. The screen has a water drop notch up top for the 8-megapixel selfie camera. There is a triple camera on the rear, highlighted by the 48 megapixel, a main sensor with a 0.8 pixel, 1.6 in 12 megapixel binary mode, and f1.79 lens. The other two sensors are 2 megapixel f2.4 dedicated macro and 2 megapixel f2.4 deep sensor. Under the hood, the Poco M3 has an 11nm Snapdragon 662 chipset with a 4 gigs of RAM. Storage can be go to 64 or 128 gigabytes. There are stereo speaker, a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, and an IR blaster on the Poco M3. The Poco M3 comes pre-loaded with Android 10 and under MIUI 12, and the Poco launcher Xiaomi will update the M3 for Android 11 in due time as well. The Poco M3 goes on a sale in Black Friday, November 27. There are special discounted price: first $129 for the 4 gigabytes of RAM and 64 gigabytes of version, and $149 for the 4 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of storage model. After the promotion end, the price will be $149 and $169 respectively. So this is the latest Poco M3 smartphone. Let me know in the comment section, are you like this new Poco, the Xiaomi smartphone? And this is the third smartphone of this line. And also like this video and subscribe my channel for more tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.